Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cord Cutters. Today we are going to show you how to install Cinema HD APK on your FireStick, FireStick 4K, FireStick Lite, 4K Max, and Fire TV Cube. This is one of the best streaming apps for watching free movies and TV shows. So, let's get started. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. Cinema HD is a third-party app, which means it isn't available on the Amazon App Store. Streaming copyrighted content may have legal risks. To protect your privacy, I highly recommend using a VPN. Check out the link in the description to get ExpressVPN with a special discount. First, we need to enable apps from unknown sources. Here's how you do it. 1. On your FireStick home screen, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon. 2. Scroll to My Fire TV and select it. 3. Click Developer Options. Choose Install Unknown Apps and turn it on. Now we need to install the Downloader app to sideload Cinema HD. Follow these steps. Go back to the FireStick home screen and click on the search icon. Type Downloader and select it from the search results. Click Download or Get and wait for it to install. Once you have Downloader installed, follow these steps to get Cinema HD. Open Downloader in the URL given in the description and click Go. Wait for the APK file to download. Once the download is complete, click Install. When the installation finishes, click Done instead of Open. You'll see a prompt to delete the APK file. Click Delete twice to remove it and free up space. And that's it. You've successfully installed Cinema HD APK on your FireStick. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Happy streaming!